Welcome back to English Made Simple. Improve your spoken English by listening and practicing these questions and answers.
Can you make me a coffee?
No, I am busy now.
Can you swim in the ocean?
No, I cannot swim in the ocean.
Do you want to learn how to swim?
No, it is not my type of work.
How did you learn to swim?
I learned by watching others and practicing.
When do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 o'clock.
When did you have breakfast today?
I had breakfast early in the morning.
Do you like going to school?
No, I don't like to go to school.
What is your favorite fruit?
I love to eat grapes because they are not always sour.
Can you ride a horse?
No, I cannot ride a horse.
Can you play the harp?
Yes, I can play the harp.
Do you like to watch TV?
I don't like, but I usually watch TV.
Have you ever been to zoo?
Yes, I have been to a zoo once. It was fun.
Which animal did you like the most?
I liked monkeys. They were funny and smart.
Which is your favorite animal?
I like all the animals because they are not selfish as humans.
Did you see any birds?
I saw some parrots. They were colorful and noisy.
Have you graduated from school yet?
No, unfortunately, I still have to go to school.
Why do you go to school?
I go to a school where they teach me things I don't need to know.
Which is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is recess, because I get to escape from the school.
Can you tell me what type of subject is recess?
Recess is a time between two classes when students can relax.
Who is your favorite teacher?
My favorite teacher is the one who gives the least homework.
Is your school close to your house?
No, it's far. I have to take a bus or a rickshaw.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
How often do you order pizza?
I order pizza 5 times a week.
Who cooks at your home?
My mom cooks at our home.
Can you make pizza by yourself?
No, I don't want to waste hours on it. I just order it.
Have you ever tried cooking pizza?
I once tried cooking pizza, but it was disaster.
What is disaster?
Disaster is something terrible.
How would you like to travel to school?
I would like to travel by a bike or a bicycle.
Who usually accompanies you?
Nobody accompanies me. I am alone and lonely. Thanks for watching.